The Sambal controversy is far from over. Uttar Pradesh politics is ablaze with accusations and clashes over the riot that unfolded over a court-ordered mosque survey. Today, Samajwadi Party delegation was stopped by the cops while trying to visit the conflict-hit area. Take a look.
The turmoil in Sambal refuses to die down. On Saturday, a 15-member Samajwadi Party delegation, led by Uttar Pradesh's leader of opposition, Mata Prasad Pandey, faced resistance from the law enforcement agencies, sparking a fresh controversy. They were to visit violence-hit Sambal, where the court-ordered mosque survey led to massive riots. There was heavy police presence outside Samajwadi Party team leader Pandey's residence. However, the Samajwadi Neta claimed no prior notice was issued to him.
आप संभव कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आपके सामने मैं गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ, वो कहे हम आपसे बात करेंगे, उतर आया कि चलिए बात कर लीजिए, अब उनका लाभ हो गया, क्या उतर आया और खिसक गए, कहानी का बात कर रहे हैं।
Moradabad Divisional Commissioner Anjaneya Kumar Singh said that no political delegation would be allowed to visit Sambal given the sensitivity of the situation there.
There is no question of anybody going over there. With all the efforts we have, we have been managed to maintain peace. Now we don't want anybody, anyway, the peace to be disturbed. We will take all the actions against them and all the efforts to not let them go over there.
SP leaders, including Harendra Malik and MP Zia-ur-Rahman Barq, a prime accused in the Sambal clashes, were also stopped by police at the Delhi-Ghaziabad border.
हमें बड़ा अफसोस है कि इस टाइप की ये सरकार अब पुलिस प्रशासन की करतूतों पर पर्दा डालने के लिए इस टाइप की ये इलीगल काम कर रहे हैं।
समझ नहीं पा रहे, हम भारत के नागरिक हैं, इस प्रदेश के नागरिक हैं और हम अपने प्रदेश में, अपने देश में भी मूवमेंट नहीं कर सकते, तो कहाँ करेंगे मूवमेंट?
The BJP and SP are at each other's throats, with both sides trading charges over the law and order situation in Sambal. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav slammed the BJP government, calling the restrictions imposed a sign of failed governance. The BJP hit back, accusing the Samajwadi Party of indulging in political tourism.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी के मुखिया अखिलेश यादव जी को अपने गिरेबान में झांकना चाहिए। संभल की जो घटना है, ये समाजवादी पार्टी के संरक्षित अपराधियों की देन है। जो संभल के अपराधी हैं, वो सब समाजवादी हैं। अखिलेश यादव जी को प्रदेश की, देश की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। हर स्थिति में हम वहां कानून के राज को मेंटेन करेंगे।
Meanwhile, a fresh twist in the Sambal saga emerged as the Archaeological Survey of India in its affidavit flagged unauthorized modifications at Jama Masjid, a monument protected since 1920. As per the affidavit, a June 2024 inspection revealed several unauthorized interventions. ASI officers claimed they were denied access for regular inspections, making it difficult to assess the violations. In its affidavit, the ASI also expressed concerns over the structural integrity of the monument due to these violations. With political tempers flaring and tensions in Sambal escalating, the entry of outsiders from visiting the district till December 10 to maintain the law and order. Bureau Report, India Today.